Welcome to the Deep Dive by Outlier, where we uncover the market's hidden trends and give you the edge you need. Head on over to ovtlyr.com right now to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk today. Now let's jump right in.
All right, so we're diving in today
to
this CNBC article. It's from October 31st of this year.
Oh, cool.
It's called Fed Rate Cuts Could Prove to be a Boon for Southeast Asian Economies.
All right.
And you know how they always say when the U.S. sneezes, the world catches a cold?
Yeah.
It seems like this time the U.S. might be offering a pretty good investment tip.
Interesting.
So we're going to try to unpack how these rate cuts are making waves across Southeast Asia and what it all might mean for you.
Okay. Yeah, that's fascinating.
Yeah.
I think what's interesting here is that it is kind of a role reversal.
Yeah.
You know, back in the early 80s when Volcker was at the Fed and they hiked rates aggressively, that actually triggered a debt crisis across Latin America.
Wow.
This time it's different. The Fed cutting rates is creating a ripple effect. But this ripple effect is attracting investment to emerging markets.
I see.
Like Southeast Asia.
Yeah, that's right. Lower U.S. interest rates make those markets all of a sudden look way more appealing.
Yeah.
Plus, we've got this added bonus of rising commodity prices. And that's huge for Southeast Asia because they have a lot of resource-heavy economies.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And we're already seeing countries like Indonesia really leaning into this shift. So they actually cut their interest rates.
Wow.
Before the Fed even made their announcement.
Oh, really?
Which is a pretty bold move.
It really is.
Yeah.
It reminds me of when Brazil did something similar.
Okay.
Back in 2009 during the global financial crisis. And it really paid off for them.
Right.
They got a wave of foreign investment.
Yeah.
Do you think Indonesia's on a similar path?
It's certainly possible. They've historically mirrored the Fed's moves on interest rates.
Okay.
So this preemptive cut is a clear sign of their confidence.
Yeah.
And analysts are particularly bullish on Indonesian banks.
Interesting.
Like Bank Central Asia.
Okay.
They stand to benefit immensely from this increased investment flow.
So potentially a stock to watch.
Yeah.
If you're looking to ride this wave. But as the article points out, it's not all smooth sailing across the region.
Right.
Thailand's facing a different kind of challenge. Remember, it all started with that CNBC article about the potential benefits of Fed rate cuts for Southeast Asian economies.
Right.
Who knew it would lead us to Indonesian banking stocks, Malaysian palm oil plantations.
It's amazing how one seemingly isolated
bustling Vietnamese tech hubs
can set off this chain reaction across the globe.
It is amazing.
Yeah, and I think that's the key takeaway here.
Absolutely. It's all about connecting those dots, seeing those ripple effects, understanding how these seemingly distant trends can create very real opportunities.
And as we've discussed, those opportunities aren't just limited to big corporations or seasoned investors.
Right.
This economic shift has the potential to impact everyone.
Okay.
From rice farmers in Thailand to tech entrepreneurs in Singapore.
It makes you wonder what the next 5, 10, even 20 years will hold for Southeast Asia.
Exactly.
Will we see some of these emerging economies become major global players?
It's a big question.
Will they manage to navigate the challenges of this rapid growth and create a more equitable and sustainable future?
Those are the big questions.
They are.
Aren't they?
Yeah.
And I don't think anyone has all the answers.
Right.
But what we can do is stay informed, stay curious, and keep exploring these complex issues.
Well said. So to our listeners, we hope this deep dive has sparked your curiosity.
I hope so.
And given you a new lens through which to view the world.
For sure.
Remember, knowledge is power.
Right.
And the more we understand these global forces, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the future.
Absolutely.
And who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe you'll even discover the next big investment opportunity.
Next big thing.
Along the way.
Yeah.
So keep those minds sharp.
Okay.
Keep those eyes peeled. And most importantly, never stop exploring.
Absolutely.
That's all for this episode of The Deep Dive.
All right.
Until next time.
Hey, thanks so much for deep diving with us today. Head on over to outlier.com. That's OVTLYR.com to save time, make money, and start winning with less risk today. And we'll see you next time.